Hey guys, what's up? I hope you are fine, and today in this video I will teach you what are for each loops in JavaScript. So before starting the video, I assume that you are familiar with the basic basic JavaScript. So let's begin. This is my favorite editor. I created a forEach.js file. It is the blank file, and I attached this file with the HTML file to check out the consoles in a browser. So let's begin. Okay, first of all, I have to define some arrays to do the looping. Okay, while fruits, it have apples, mangoes. It's enough. Okay, first of all, I'll show you the old way to do the looping, and after that a new way. So this is the old way. For while I is equal to 0, I should be less than the fruits not length, and I should be must be increment after each loop. Here we can show fruits. Okay, let's run this code in Chrome in a browser. Open console. Here we go. Apples, bananas, mangoes. This looping is working fine, but the new way to looping in JavaScript is here. New way. First of all, I have to comment this code. Now, type the first of all, you have to when you want to define do the looping by using the for each. So you have to write the array name after put a dot and type for each. Okay, now call it. This is basically a built-in JavaScript function, and don't try to make a variable or a function by using the for each name. Keep in mind that for each is a built-in name which exists in the JavaScript. Okay, we call this for each function. Okay, now we have to pass the callback function. If you don't know what's callback function, then stay tuned in this channel by subscribing. I will make a video on that topic later. First of all, you have to give it a function. When the for each method, when the for each built-in function calls this callback, it gives this callback function two parameters, which is basically the first parameter will be the item will be apples, bananas, mangoes. The second parameter will be the index of the item. So let's check it out. Console.log item, r. Now again reload. Here we go. Apples index is 0, bananas 1 index, mangoes 2 index. So it's working quite fine. If you if you want to do any operations or do something, you can execute your code here according to your logic, according to the project you are building. So I hope you learned something in this video. It's basically a way to do the for looping in JavaScript. This is a new way. You have to pass a callback function, and the two parameters will come. The first is item and the second is index. You can type the index, and you can type it fruit or according to the logic of the project. So I set it to item and I hope you learned something, and you will use this technique into your projects. Stay tuned, like this video if you like it, dislike this video.